This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to turn off comment notifications on Letterboxd. So by default, the comment notifications are on by default. I'm right here on the main Letterboxd page at letterboxd.com. Now we're going to come on over to the profile first. So highlight your username, click on profile. So once we're on profile, we will come up here. I mean, you could have done it from the other screen, but we are going to click on settings right here. So wherever you are on Letterboxd, you can literally highlight there and click settings. So we're on the main account settings. From here, we can click notifications. So from notifications, you can see that by default, this is on. So this is new comments in subscribed threads. So you can turn that off, literally just highlight that. It will save automatically. You don't need to look for the save button or anything. So you can turn that off. And then here, likewise, push notifications if those are set on your computer, which they aren't set on mine, so none of these come through. You can also do it here as well. So that is that one turned off. So that's new comments in subscribed threads. Essentially, you're subscribed to a thread once you've commented on it, or once the thread, as in the review or list, is actually yours, and you'll be automatically subscribed that way as well if you've created the list and it is public, or the review and it is public. So also I'll show you quickly how to actually unsubscribe from something, from an actual list. Let's say we go over to lists right here. So I'm just looking at lists, top 250 narrative feature films, one of the most popular lists on the site. Right here we can scroll down to the bottom, and you will see that this bell icon, I'll just show, this is how you actually enable the notifications. So you click there, it's green. So if you are subscribed to a list and you're getting comments from it, you can literally just click on this green bell and that will turn those comments off. And like you see here, you will never receive further, you won't receive further notifications from this list. So that's super helpful, super useful. Letterboxd, obviously a great platform. I use it to log my films all the time. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.